portable PA system. VocaPro's Champion Portable Mini Concert and Karaoke System is a perfect solution for professional and aspiring singers alike. Includes a 4-channel mic, line mixer, karaoke media player, and song pack from VocaPro.
That's going to come in handy with kids on your lawn. Hey, kids, get off my lawn. Philip, what do you bid?
$1,500.
$1,500. $1,000. What's in there? $2,100. Brian. $1,500. $1,501. Welcome to the show, buddy. Hello! Somebody got it right on the nose. I don't know who. Somebody got the price right on the nose. It gets an extra 5 Benjamins. $500 goes to the person that bid $1,000. Here's $500. Congratulations. All right. Exact bid. Serves a little reward. So, he has a portable karaoke machine now. George, what else do we have for him?
You know what goes with that? An off-road motorcycle! Are you ready to race, Theodore? It's a KTM 250 off-road motorcycle.